After natin magawa yung ating Markov diagram, we could now create two kinds of matrices. We need to create the initial state distribution matrix. Sorry. And our transition probability matrix. Ano po yung dalawang yan? Your initial state distribution probability matrix shows kung ano yung initial state natin, ano yung market share natin nung simula pa lamang. Yung transition probability matrix naman shows the conversion from before and after, ano yung mga nangyari. Let's now create our matrix. If we consider A and A prime, yan. Our SO or our state at 0, our SO or our state at 0 is initially 0.24 ang bumibili sa atin. And 0.76 ang hindi bumibili sa atin. Always remember na dapat ang total ng dalawang ito should be equal by 1. Always remember that all values of your A and A prime, kung siya man ay maging tatlo, A1, A2, A3, should be equal by 1. Dapat ang total. This is now our SO. This is our matrix, SO. Your transition probability matrix have two parts. We have the before and we have the after. Before, A and A prime, then after, A and A prime. Modify lang natin. Yeah. How could we create the matrix? Paano natin gagawin yung matrix? We'll just look at your initial diagram. Titingin lang tayo dito sa diagram na ito. As you can see, yung dati daw A before, A pa din daw siya after, siya ay 70%. Yung dating A, naging A pa din, siya ay 0.7. Yung dating hindi A, pero naging A, yung dating hindi A, naging A, siya equivalent sa 0.52. Yung dating A, naging hindi A, siya ay 0.30. And yung dating hindi A, na hindi pa din siya sa A, siya ay 0.40. Yeah. This is now our transition probability matrix. After getting this transition probability matrix, we could now solve for the problem number 1. Ang problem number 1 is what is the probability that the customer will buy from them after 1 year. Ano daw yung probability na may bibili sa kanila after 1 year? We could consider that as S1. Ang ating S1 na ngayon ang ating ano. For us to get S1, we could consider the formula Sn is equivalent to Sn minus 1 times yung ating probability matrix or yung transition probability matrix natin. Sabihin, we could have a formula of S1 is equivalent to S0 times P. Diba? This is now our formula. For us to get that, the S0 daw, yan, your S0 could be multiplied by this matrix. Diba? This is your P. This is now your P. SO times P daw. Ang way ko na pag-multiply ng matrix is nakaganto. Ganito yung kanyang format. Para mas hindi nakakalito. Ganyan yung format. Mas madali. Pag mag-multiply ng dalawang matrix na 1 by 2, i-multiply siya sa 2 by 2. Yan. This is a 1 by 2 matrix and this is a 2 by 2 matrix. I am aligning them diagonally. Then this is the answer. Ano ibig sabihin? Kasi this value, consider this is S1 and or SA, this is SA and this is your SA prime. we could solve this one by considering